Okay, I was showing the property here in Links. Just finished decorating and furnished display ready for Airbnb. The theme is more of mid-century boho style theme. This is the dining room with 4 chairs and tables. The china cabinet or curio cabinet, we call it, and the living room right across from it with 55-inch TV. Fireplace right now with black is not functioning. It's wood fireplace. And we're leaning this way toward the 3 bedrooms on this side of the house. 2 over here. The AC furnished the guest bathroom and then the 3rd bedroom. We are going to each of the rooms and see what it has. This one is room B, they name it. All room has ceiling fans and lights, and also a blackout curtain because the sunlight is pretty extreme, and also save energy for your electric bill too. Key of each room is sitting right there by the switch, and it has hangers, laundry basket, and a set of towels. Each room have each of the set. This one is room C. Again, same settings with blackout curtains, cabinets, and a 32-inch TV on our room, and they all have individual locks and keys. Ceiling fan as well for ventilation. Each of the rooms come with light like this. This one is a switch on light. It has the USB-C port and a regular USB port. Again, it's a set of towel, laundry basket, and hangers. This is room C. And we're going over to the other room down the hallway. But first, let's stop by the bathroom. Just recently renovated the shower and mirror, single sink. Down the hallway, the floor is luxurious vinyl plank, so easy to clean and maintain, no carpet. This is room D, 32-inch TV, blackout curtains, ceiling fans for cooling the ventilations, and the key for the room is also right there by the switch. This room, however, the light is RGB light, so whoever stays in this room can switch based on their mood, whichever color they want to switch to. Have purple, yellow, blue, green. It's a happy room. This is room D, the 4th bedroom. Again, laundry basket, a set of towel, also a hanger in the closet. Then we have supplies closet. Install this lock so we can lock it. Only give the code to the cleaner. It has 8 set of towels extra, and these are keys for each of the room, extra keys. Some supplies I have left here: toilet paper, extra set of beddings, and this is the lock for the closet. We give you the combination code for that. Let's heading over to the master suite. Oh, I see has a lock too, so nobody can change the setting. It also has a code that we can open. AC unit has plenty of filter that's left there. It's about 5, 6, 7 of them. And over the living room real quick, this has a ceiling fan as well and blackout curtains to save energy. Mid-century chair, living room furniture, and that's a little table, and the internet is right here. Boho style decor, easy, simple, and got mid-century picture frame. And that's it's like a computer desk for guests to work. We are heading over to the master suite. Have a computer desk inside the suite. We name it room A. And blackout curtains. So if you have a nurse who work night shift, all rooms should be friendly for the nurse. They can just cover it and go to sleep. Not to worry about the daylight that will wake them up. And all rooms are equipped with dimmable touching light lamp and USB-C and regular USB for easy charging. Also have a power adapter as well for this one. And set up top, laundry basket and hangers. This master suite has 2 closets. This one inside the bedroom and then one more inside the bathroom. This is a double sink vanity for the master suite. Walk countertop throughout. This master suite has a tub and a stand-up shower. And we have shampoos and body wash in there too. All set it up and everything ready for you to list it and rent it out. And this is the second closet. Lots of closet space for this room for sure. It's a 44-inch TV in the master suite. Other rooms are 32-inch. In this house, comes with a smart lock, Schley Encore smart lock, and we're gonna check on the light. The lighting. This one is a light that just turn on. And then this is the Ring camera doorbell. You can disable the video, but not connecting to the internet, then that's fine. And let's go check it on the motion detected floodlight. This is late at night, so yeah, the lights is giving us a lot of lighting, and also the house number light so that the guests know which house it is, because the number really hard to find at night. So yeah, the motion detected floodlight working just fine. And the living room also have blackout curtains for the gliding door to keep the cool air in and the heat from the outside. This is the ironing board and the iron for the guests to use. Let's go to the kitchen, and it's all white with trash can and some decorations. Reset lighting has recently installed, so we got plenty of light. Of course, coffee, Keurig coffee, toaster, refrigerator, and by the way, the garage has a key, so you can let the guests who stay long term use the washer and dryer in the garage if you want to. Keurigs, coffee cup, we got 8 glasses and 6 wine glasses. Kettle, knives, microwave. We got these salt and pepper essential, grater. We got some utensil, wine opener, extra kitchen towel, pots and pans. Got plenty of pots and pans. We got a new set and a used set. Coriander, chopping board, with 2 of them. And we got some extra cleaning supply, dishwashing soap, hand washing soap, trash bag, some Ziploc bags, paper towel holder, some plates and cups, small plates, big plates, small bowl, big bowl. It's all set and ready to go. Also some bagware for some, I don't like to bake or roast. Use the oven. Alright, contact me. Get it now.